guys and gals, welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to show you how to replace rack end. Alright, so got our tie rod and then our rack end, and the rack end itself is quite bent. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to replace it with a nice, fresh, straight one. So you can see we've got our tie rod here, and then our rack end is quite bent right in here. So you can see here, that's pretty bent. So what we're going to do to try to keep our alignment somewhat okay, just enough to be able to possibly drive it to your alignment shop and get it dialed in completely, is you don't want to just install it willy-nilly without measuring it. You want to go ahead and take the best measurement that you can from here about to the face of the nut. You got to take into account this nut is a little bit thicker than that one. So face of the nut. So if this was straightened, it'd probably be about 170. So we'll go ahead and use that measurement to set this one. Look at that. That's a bit bent. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys back next time. Yeah.